Hi, welcome to Norah's Cooking Diary Season 4 Episode 6. In this video, I'm going to share with you a Chinese lemon chicken recipe. Crispy boneless fried chicken generously coated with smooth lemony sauce with a hint of sweetness is so flavorful. The impeccable taste and texture are so addictive on every bite. Chinese lemon chicken is a classic Chinese dish that is well loved by many, and it is also easy to prepare at home. Keep watching and I will share with you how I cook this Chinese lemon chicken recipe. If you like this video, please press the like button to give the video a thumbs up. Please also consider subscribing if you haven't already, and check that you click the notification bell too. And don't forget to check out my cooking tips in the description below. Happy cooking!